So I'm walking you to where the event is taking place. And it is absolutely beautiful. It's in the tower. Some of you know what I'm talking about. And the rest, you'll just have to come to a retreat and find out. That window right there is where some of your art will be displayed. And I cannot wait. So this centuries-old tower is where our scholarship fund event will be in June. I am still blown away by all that God is doing, and I cannot wait to have this event. There's some special things that I found out today. Rita and Anita are being so kind and donating some art from an artist here in Bellagio that passed away, and they are letting me have that art. They're donating that art to this Night of Artists that will, all the proceeds will go to sending one woman each year to our retreats. So that is, I was in tears just hearing the news today as we met and discussed the event. So I am super excited. I cannot wait. So if you have said that you wanted to donate art, I will need that art before I leave June 1st. And I'll send everyone an email. But if you haven't told me that you want to donate something yet, then just send me an email and let me know, because I have lots of walls to fill. There are 4 floors in this tower that I need to fill with art. So please, please send me your art. It's going to be awesome.